The ability to create any idea from imagination to a working product in minutes. The cool use of AI. This guy has an annual MRI scan and they give him a USB stick with the data. But you need some complicated commercial Windows software to open it. He probably doesn't have Windows, he's probably on a Mac, and it's probably expensive because it's for MRI technicians, imaging technicians, and it's going to come with some expensive medical license. This USB stick with your MRI is useless. You have to take it to the doctor. He took the data, gave it to Claude Code, and he said, can you make me a viewer? Can you make me an HTML-based viewer so it would work in a web browser anywhere? It ended up looking and feeling and being functionally better than the commercial software sold to medicals. So he did this for fun. He did this so he could look at his own MRI data. He annotates everything with findings. And you can just tinker around with it and play around and get information out of this data that's been given to you. I did something similar last week for my genome. I have the whole of my human genome, all of the, whatever they called, their nucleotides, in a 5.5 megabyte text file. Threw it to code and I made visualizations. If you have an idea, you can build it now. You can just create what you're interested in. The other thing I created last week was a public speaking coach. I built a speaking coach. I can upload a video of myself, like a live webinar or a short TikTok, into this tool, and it analyzes my body language. It tracks how much my hands are on screen. It analyzes my posture, analyzes how much eye contact I have with the camera. It can detect my facial expressions. It measures my words per minute and it kind of samples them over the whole video. It looks for filler words like so and the patterns of my speech. It gives me a score for how good my public speaking, my presentation. I'm building this into a tool for me that I can feed all my information, all my videos into, and it can scan and help me get better at speaking.